7, section 6 is the day 2 notes. So continuing common logs. Again, we're solving these exponential equations, and now we're taking a look at inequalities here in example 1. So here we don't have any logs in there, but to solve, we're going to again insert logs on both sides, just like we did before. So in example A here, I have log 2 to the x power less than log 25. Again, we're using that common log 10. Again, exponent then can move to the front, so x log 2 less than log 25. And to solve, then we're going to divide both sides by log of 2. So x then is less than, we'll plug that in our calculator, 4.644. 4.644. Example B, same idea, we have a little bit more now with our variable instead of just a variable. So, same idea, again now when I rewrite this again, in this first step, I rewrote it just as it is. Again, I'm going to kind of skip to this second step now, where I'm putting that exponent out front. So I'm putting the exponent out front, 4n log 5 greater than log 33. Again, now what am I dividing by? To get this variable here by itself, we're going to divide by log 5. Again, if you wanted to include that dividing by 4 log 5, you could do that. So I end up with 4n greater than 2.1725. We're then going to divide by 4. So again, like I said, if you want to divide that 4 in this first step right up here, and include it on both sides, that's fine with me too. So then n greater than 0.5431. 5431 is my answer there. So in letter C, I'll kind of show you that, how we can divide it by everything at one time. So example C here, again, I'm going to move this exponent to the front, so I have 2a log 9 less than log of 120. So to get this a by ourselves, okay, to get the a by itself, we're going to divide by a 2 and log 9. 2 log 9. So 2's cancel, log 9's cancel, leaving me with just an a less than 1.0894. So we're inserting those logs so we can pull that exponent to the front, and then we can divide on both sides. Change of base formula. So going back to before, what happens when, so again, in our calculator, we can't calculate log 3 of 20, because our calculator is only log base 10, okay? So we can have this change of base formula. So if you look here at this example, that's the easiest one to look at here. So log 3 of 11, well, that is the same as saying log, common log 10 of 11, divided by log 10 of 3. And again, in our calculator, it's just going to be log 11 divide log 3. So we're taking this big number, and then we're going to divide it by what the log of the base is. So when I look here in example 2, that's all we're doing. We're just going to figure out how can I calculate this in my calculator. Well, if I take log, common log of 20, divide by common log of our base there, 3, plug that in our calculator, and we can get 2.7268. Example 2b, log base 8, or log 8, so common log of 8, divide log of the base of 6. So divide those out, and 1.1606. So again, a lot of this information is just calculator, guys, just plugging it in the calculator, getting your answers out, knowing how to solve it correctly. And the last one here, in example 2, again, we're taking the log of the base, or the log base 5 of 140, so we're taking log of 140, dividing it by the log of that base, so log of 5, divide those out. Again, it's not the same as dividing 140 by 5, okay, because they have logs with them, so 3.0704. And again, with these logs, I'd recommend going out to 4 decimal places when we're rounding out these values. But most of them are not very big, so going out to 4 values will give us a good estimate on that value. And those are your notes for section 6, day 2.